Apart from wind and traffic, it's so peaceful up here. Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel Smiles Per Gallon. How is everybody? Hope you're feeling above average today. I know I am. Woohoo! So I'm just heading over my way to the Peak District. I'm on Thumper. I've got a chest rig. I've also got my drone in my bag. I'm hoping to get over towards like Stanage Edge, that way and do a bit of filming over there, but you know, we'll have to see. Hey, so I'm back. So weather started off a bit, it was warm but a bit dull. And we've just come over Snake Pass and I'm heading over in towards Stanage Edge. Oh yeah, Stanage Edge. And weather is just, I had to turn camera back on because these roads are glorious. And sun's come out as well, which isn't always a bonus. Yeah, a lot of bikes on road today. Watch me saying that and I probably won't see any. But quite a fair few pieces of road works on this stretch of road here. So yeah, so I headed up Manchester, Great Old Manchester Road that takes you from like Doddiff Road through Penistone and up. You know, you can turn off go to Holmfirth. I carried straight on and I turned left, went up through Glossop of a Snake Pass, I think it was, and then I've had to set my sat nav for Stanage because can I buggery remember where I came here a while back. I can't remember what month it was, might be February, March-ish time, maybe sooner, January even, I don't know, with Jay and Fasty brought me over this way on, and I was thought when I went at Stanage Edge I thought I'd love to get a bit of drone footage from over there, so alright mate, bit of sunshine. Oh, this is nice, isn't it? So yeah, first thing I want to do is have a cup of coffee. Right boys, I want to have a cup of coffee. Beautiful place round here is. What can he do there? Sorry, I'm going to need to turn right here, don't I? Oops. Everybody else were going straight on there. Bamford and Castleton. I remember coming from other way. But saying that, it is it's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice. So yeah, I'm posing off a chest rig today. It's warm, I tell you, really warm. It's the Queen's Jubilee, and as I said, what better way to celebrate it than to be out on Thumper. Not behind, Triumph Scrambler. Oh yeah, this is taking us up into that bloody right hilly crazy area, innit? A lot of ramblers here, so I'm going to have to go extra careful. Nice and steady away. What's happening here then? Alright. I'm getting some quite miserable looking looks from people. Remember, it's a public road, guys. I've got just as much as a right to be here than you have. If not more, I'm paying bloody road tax on my wheels. Oh, look at that view. Beautiful. It's quite close now. Here we go, let's watch this attempt of a parallel park. I'd get it in there. In one. Come on, I got time to wait for that. Well done. So yeah, we're getting quite close to it now. Yeah, Stanage Edge, I believe. Should be. Watching out for ramblers. Don't want to be making a mess, do we? Can I have used half a tank of fuel? There's a distance. Stanage Edge. It'll do. Nice place for a cup of coffee, I reckon.